Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I will be going to show you my new project. This is a 1200 watt inverter which I have built by using a RPS kit of 200 watt and a 5 ampere of transformer 12012. This is a AC voltmeter which can take the AC volt maximum up to 500 volt AC, and this is a indicator light emitting diode red. It is a red color LED. So as we know that we cannot give a AC direct voltage to the LED, so I'm using a 10k resistance and diode to convert the AC into DC. Still it is a half wave bridge rectifier, since I'm using a single diode. I'm not using 2 or 2 3 4 or 4 diodes. I'm using a single diode which will cause a half wave DC bridge rectifier, since the voltage will convert into 100 volt or 200 volt DC, the resistance will low the voltage, and it will give the LED 3 volt DC power supply, and our bulb will glow. So as a result the bulb will glow and the voltmeter also will glow. We can measure the AC voltage which is giving the output by this inverter. So before starting this video I would like to introduce my new battery which I have built in my previous video. This is a battery, 14 amps battery, 12 volt. I've made this battery using two lead acid battery of 7 ampere each. I've connected them in parallel circuit so that the voltage remains same and the current gets doubled. So I will check the voltage using this multimeter. This multimeter comes with a black light function, which is very useful for us who works like this type of projects. So I'm using the blue wire as a positive one and the red one for the negative. So as I'm going to connect this, it will show the battery voltage. As you can see here in the multimeter screen, it is showing to a 13 volt approx, which means our battery is fully charged. So let's keep the multimeter aside and show you the main thing, which is the inverter. So as you can see, here is two wires getting out from the inverter. This is a 4 mm wire. This is a high blow fuse which will blow if there is a short circuit in the inverter or in the load. This is a 8 ampere fuse. Let me show you. If you want, you can also fix the MCB here. MCB means miniature circuit breaker. It's a 8 amps fuse, fast blow fuse. It will blow only if there is a short circuit in your load or in the inverter. This is a tap and switch which I have connected with this voltmeter and the LED. This is a fixed switch I have connected for this plug. This is a 16 amps plug, and this is a 10 amps to 5 amps plug. Sorry, if not plug, switch, 10 amps to 5 amps switch. These are two alligator clips for the battery terminals. You can take the power from a truck battery or from a UPS battery. The ampere of the battery varies from 7 ampere to 150 ampere. So this is the LED. This is a 15 watt LED. Let me show you. I'm going to use this as a load. I hope you are able to see the power rating of this LED. This is Siska LED. Let me show you the company name also so that you believe on me. This is Siska LED, and I'm not promoting any company, so don't think that this is a promoted a video or someone is sponsor. This video is not sponsored by any company, so don't think that. So now I will connect this alligator clips. This is a 150 ampere maximum LED clips. It can handle a load of 150 ampere. So the red one is for the positive and the black is for the negative respectively. So I will connect the positive one to the positive terminal and the negative in the negative terminal of the battery respectively. So as I connected the battery, the connections are established. So I will move this battery aside and I will connect the load. So let me again repeat. This switch is for the output. This is for the voltage checking. The voltage, we can check the voltage if we connect a load. If the switch is not on, the voltage also cannot be checked, so that it will consume the power as much as it can. So as you can see, there is no cells or no battery connected or any another external source. It will get the power from this UPS or from this inverter only. Now you can now you can think that why I have to told this as a UPS and a inverter both, because UPS works like an inverter, but there is a small difference. UPS works for a short period of time, but inverter can work for a long period of time with a high load. If you don't know what is the full form of UPS full form is uninterrupted power supply. So this is the plug. I will plug it in the inverter, and now I will switch on this switch. Now as you can see, I have switched the switch on. The bulb is glowing with its full brightness. As I'm going to off the switch, this will off. As I'm going to on, this will on. So as I told you, if the load is not on or the switch is not on, the voltage will be not shown. So as I'm going to switch on this switch, which is a pushable switch, the voltage will be shown here and this indicator will glow. Let me show you this voltage. It is showing 150 volt approx. If you connect a bigger battery, the voltage will be increased. If you connect a 150 ampere battery, it will give you the output of 230 volt. But for the LED bulbs, this voltage is pretty much good. So you can use this voltage for glowing 2 LED bulbs for approx 2 hours. If you glow on one LED, you can glow for 5 to 6 hours regularly without any interruption. So hope you guys like this video. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. If you want to know more things about this project, you can go to my channel and search for it. I already uploaded many videos on this, and please, I would like to ask you to share this video as much as you can and support my channel. So thank you for watching and wait for the future videos which will be appear very soon, and thank you and goodbye.